the drive shaft bolt that made that dent. Basically dumped from the front pipe, and then that's basically it's just the front pipe, and then it's open from there. So I guess it's a muffler and resonator delete. It's so loud. Basically, I had to take cat back, I guess you could say. I had to take it off because my exhaust bracket that holds the front pipe, or basically the whole exhaust, the bracket that holds it like in place, I hit a bump and it literally like knocked the bolt off of the bracket. So my exhaust was just hanging like loosely. So it was just like bouncing up and down, and my resonator was hitting up against the drive shaft. So I went ahead and took that off because I just didn't want any problems with my drive shaft. And I didn't want anything to be damaged or broken, so I just took that off, and then I'm gonna go buy like a new bolt and then put it back on when it's safe and secure. I don't want anything to break. Basically just making this video for fun, just to like see what it sounds like without the whole cat back. I'm not gonna keep it like this. I'm just making this video just for like entertainment and just to show you guys how obnoxious and ridiculous this exhaust sounds. So if you guys don't know, it is 1320 unequal length headers with the stock front pipe, and then it's literally just dumped right now. So that's what the exhaust setup is right now. By my neighborhood, so I'm not gonna do that anymore.